here's my fit of the day. Hi my loves, good morning. It's not even morning. Good afternoon. Today is on Monday. Which day is it? I'm not sure about the days, but today is on Monday and I'm going to start this vlog on Monday. I'll include the dates because I don't remember the dates, but here's my fit of the day. A simple errands fit. I'm wearing the shoes I got on Saturday. And they are quite comfortable. The scents of the day will be this one and this one. The Sultan and Creed. This one smells good but doesn't last that long. I wish you're here. It smells so good. But the problem is you'll have to keep retouching it because it doesn't last that long. Creed actually lasts long. This one is a refill actually. This one I'm not going to spray on my clothes because the sprayer thing is not that good. It's going to leave spots on my clothes if I do spray on my clothes. But it smells as good as well. For now, let's step out. It's a weekly vlog actually.
Sijaweka kwa mfuko tena.
Hi my loves, good morning. Today is on Wednesday and I'm actually going to work, and you've seen the dress before. I'll show you the shoes. I'm wearing the same shoes I had bought last week. These my jewelry, very minimal, just this. You've seen the earrings, you've seen my crown, you've seen my glasses, and the scent of the day today is, I have like three scents today. I have Passion, I have Creed, and I have Sad. Assad, sorry, not Sad, Assad. And I think Passion and what? Passion and Creed are overwhelming the Assad. So, and as you can see, this is the importance of getting like the original thing now, you see, because I got the refills. They are staining my clothes. But anyway, bora kunukia vizuri ama aje. And of course, here is my bag of the day. Of course, this is my bag of the day. And I wore the shoes today. Oopsie. Hi loves, today we are going to make sweet potato chips. You can add your sauce or do however you wanna do, eat them however you wanna eat. For me, I just need salt. And just like that, my dinner is ready. Hi my loves, today is on Saturday. It's actually a continuation of the vlog. And okay, this was my feat of the day. I'm actually back home. It was my feat of the day. And I passed by the market and got some things. You know, when I'm disappointed, I tend to get some sweet stuff. When I'm disappointed in somebody or something, I tend to find solace in sweet things. Hence, I did some damage, though not much. I got some club soda, a packet, a whole packet. The packet was going for 270. Yep, for 270. I don't feel like cooking. I'm going to have bread for lunch. And I got some t-shirts. I always get white t-shirts. I don't know why. I don't know, but I'm always gravitating towards white. I did not even wear them at the market, but we'll figure out. We will figure out. Each was going for 100 shillings. Another damage, and the way I'm broke. And this one I like because of the material. It's more of a jazzy material. This one I tried. It's quite big, but I want them big. I like my t-shirts big, kinda. So I think that's it. I'm going to end this vlog here so that I can edit it and upload it on Monday. I need to create more space and start a vlog for Friday, because I post on Monday and Friday. I need to do cleaning, today being on Saturday, and I'll do that with you, but the cleaning part you'll probably see it on Friday. Thank you very much for the love, for the support, and if you've not already subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and please don't forget to like. Please don't forget to like, because if you like this video, it's going to help YouTube recommend it to more people, and you know, that's how we earn, because at the end of the day, I need to find a living out of it, because some of these things are not that cheap. I need a tripod to hold my phone. I need to keep working on my lighting. Like right now, I need to work on my lighting. But yep. Till next time. Bye bye. It's actually 1. It's 1:11 right now. So let me have the lunch. Then start working towards cleaning my house. I might put my phone on flight mode because I don't want to like receive calls. Yep.